Assalamu alaikum. Okay, we continue with this lesson called Brook poem. It has been written by Alfred Tennyson. Last two stanzas we will be discussing. Last two stanzas. I steal by lawns and grassy plots. I slide by hazel covers. I move the sweet forget me nots that grow for happy lovers. I slip, I slide, I gloom, I glance among my skimmy swallows. I make the netted sunbeam dance against my sandy shallows. I murmur under moon and stars in brambly wilderness. I linger by my shingly bars. I loiter round my cresses, and out again I curve and flow to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. So, okay, we will be trying to understand this very stanza. Uh, I steal by lawns and grassy plots means I move quietly through these lawns and grassy plots. I slide by hazel covers. I slide by hazel covers. Hazel is a small tree that produces nuts, woods, or bushes. That means a small tree present alongside these brooks. I move the sweet forget me nots. Forget me nots are yet another type of plants. And that grow for happy lovers. That means which love going to these brooks. They are present. Forget me nots. Forget me nots. I slip, I slide, I gloom, I glance. That means this brook, the water of this brook, it slips, it slides, and I gloom. That means this brook sometimes goes down, and it is through these bushes. It looks like very dark over there, and that's why it says I gloom. I glance among my skimmy swallows. Skimmy swallows. Skimming, that means which where these whirlpools, these foamy flakes are present, and I make the netted sunbeam dance. Sunbeam and netted sunbeam which comes through these plants and trees, through these netted plants and trees, comes to the water of this brook, and it seems that if it is dancing against my sandy shallows, and there are present somewhere there is present sand. I murmur under the moon and stars. I murmur under the moon and stars. And the sound, this is yet another sound of this flowing brook. That's murmuring. Murmuring sound is produced when water flows down the brook. In brambly wilderness. In brambly wilderness, full of thorns, and we understand these brambly wildness of this brook. There are present thorns all along this brook. I linger my shingly bars. I linger my shingly bar. That means pebbles and sand hindering the flow. These pebbles and sand, it hinders the flow of this very brook, and but it has to go. It doesn't stop. This doesn't stop. This very brook, the water. I loiter around my cresses. I loiter around my cresses. These grasses are the small plants present alongside this brook, and it has to loiter, it has to go down, it doesn't stop them, and out again I curve and flow. Then it has to curve, it has to flow, it has to reach the brimming river, it has to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. This brew goes forever. It doesn't stop. It doesn't. So is the life of them. If we compare this very poem with the life of human beings, they are born. They get born. They reach the childhood. They reach the adolescence. They achieve the adulthood, then they achieve the old age, then they have to go to the grave. That's the final destination, and the final destination of this very brook is the brimming river. So we can compare this very lesson written by Alfred Tennyson to the life of human beings which come and which go, but this brook goes for on ever. When this brook joins the brimming river, its existence finishes. Then the existence of the river goes. Thank you very much for having patience to listen to me. Thank you.